Hey guys, welcome back to Exclusive Wraps 2021 in our new workshop. Sorry we missed you last Sunday. We've been really busy just with the start of the year, getting all these jobs through. So here's a quick look at what you missed in the last week and a half. Okay, so now that you've seen what we've been up to in the last week or so, for those of you that don't know, we have moved. As you can probably tell, this is not our usual workshop. We are now located at 290 Beatty Road, Archerfield. It's only a few minutes away from our old place, so if you've ever been there, it's not far to get to this one, but it's a lot bigger as you're about to see. Now, we've been really slack. We're a signage and wrap shop. We haven't done our own signage. So hopefully by the time you see this, or in the next week or so, we'll have done some. Keep an eye out for our new ever-changing logo. It looks something like this. Without further ado, let's go for a quick tour of the workshop. So, first car I'm going to show you this week is the Lamborghini URUS. So this one came in brand new pretty much for a full Expel Ultimate Paint Protection Film kit. So all of the paint is now covered with the clear urethane film. You know the drill, it protects from stone chips, scratches, all that kind of stuff. Keep the car looking new for as long as possible. So there's that one there. Behind me, we have a Porsche Macan. I think it's a 2016 Macan Turbo. This one was gloss black originally. It's gone for a satin black finish, and the car is also getting a full ceramic coating. Good thing to combine with your wrap or your paint protection film. The ceramic coating makes it heaps easier to keep clean, makes your maintenance a lot quicker, easier, stops things from sticking and damaging the paint basically. Yeah, so that's that one there. Let's go for a walk over here. To my right, W204 C63. So this one was metallic grey originally. You can see a couple of the panels still aren't done. It's going a satin metallic grey finish. So we're probably about maybe 2/3 of the way through this one. We've got a few extra panels that need to be done as well. The owner of this car's bought a carbon bonnet and a carbon boot. So those are all getting done as well. And I think we're doing a few gloss black accents. So probably the roof, middle of the bonnet, and a couple of other areas. And I think debadging it as well. It's getting some black badges put on as well. Behind that one, you'll see a red W204 that you would have seen in one of our other videos, I think. This one we did towards the end of last year, had a little bit of damage on the rear bumper, so we've just repaired that one up, re-ceramic coated that. This one had also been coated, and that's pretty much good to go now. It'll be going back to its owner. Well, by the time you see this, it'll already be back there, put it that way. Let's keep moving along the line. We have the Ferrari 488 Pista. How cool is it to see a Pista, how cool is it to see a Ferrari that's not red? Something different, really unique. It's a very cool color for a Ferrari. This one's come in for a full Expel gloss paint protection film kit as well. It'll have the satin film on the matte parts of the car. And this car's also getting a new product that we've recently added to the lineup. So we have started installing and distributing scrape armor. This stuff is basically a skid plate. It's really nice and thin, made of a urethane sort of material that goes underneath the front bumper, down like that, to protect the underside of your bar from scratches and scrapes from car parks and driveways and that sort of thing. And because of the type of material it is, it slides really well. So if you do happen to scrape or go over some concrete, it's not going to grab on the concrete like your bumper will and sort of pull your bumper off essentially. Really cool product. Every kit is custom made to fit the vehicle. So they've got them for probably about 100 or so, I could be wrong, different makes and models, and they're constantly updating that library as well. So if you're looking to protect your underside of your bumper, give us a yell. We have a product for you. Over this way, we have the commercial wraps. So another van for top lock. We've done several of these for these guys over the years. This one came in to have an old wrap removed and their new livery put on. So they've got a new branding. We'll probably do a few more of these coming up, but that's what you need to look out for when you're looking for those ones. Over here to my left is a truck for YHI. So this one's getting a full wrap on the body, full printed wrap on the body and the rear. And on the doors, we'll also be putting just some door logos and that sort of thing. This is what it looks like. There you go. Signage from our old place, actually. And to finish up this week, that big green thing that you've probably been seeing throughout this video in the back corner. Big truck for plant delivery services. So that's full printed wrap down the sides, cut text on the rears, and a partial wrap on the cab as well, which you'll be able to see shortly. All right, that about wraps it up for this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, don't forget our new address is 290 BT Road, Archerfield. Also, keep an eye on our YouTube. From now on, Wednesdays are going to be our weekly feature videos. They'll be dropping on YouTube, and a couple of days later you'll see them on Facebook if you're not on YouTube already. And Sundays, as you'll see this one dropping this Sunday, are our weekly wrap-ups. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you think and what you'd like to see more of. If you want to see time lapses, progress shots, all that kind of stuff, give us some feedback. We'd like to hear it. Other than that, we'll see you next week.